Did you know that your food allergies could be creating a lot of your health problems that you're experiencing today? Take it from me, because for many, many years, I was blind to this. I experienced really uncomfortable bloating, digestion problems, acne, back pains, joint pains, headaches, foggy vision, low energy, such as fatigue. I had no idea that food was playing a huge role in how I was feeling day to day. It wasn't until I started to make a lifestyle change and change the way I eat, the foods that I consumed, and my whole world opened up to me and my energy levels really, really rose. And now I feel amazing. But with that being said, I do still experience some food complications and my body reacts in weird ways that I really want to get to the bottom of. So if you're like me, you probably have always wanted to get a food allergy test, but you don't want to wait in those extensive lines and try to book an appointment with your doctor just to wait weeks on end to get your test results. That is why I'm so excited to share with you Advanced Food Intolerance Labs, where you can take a test right from your home and get results within 72 hours. I am so excited to try this. Okay, so first open up the box and you will see this instructional card right here. This is going to tell you step by step how to do the test, which is super easy. On the back, you're going to get a referral code. First, going to want to register your kit by scanning this QR code right here, logging in all of your personal information and this personalized code right here. Remember that you cannot send in your samples until you complete the first step. Okay, step 1 is complete. Okay, step 2, you're gonna take a pair of scissors and you're gonna cut at least 10 to 20 strands of hair to the back of your neck, depending on your hair length. And then you're gonna wanna grab this plastic baggie and place your hair samples right in there. Place it into the envelope, place that inside. Okay, now that this is complete, I'm gonna go head over to the mailbox and I will check back in with a week with my results. I am so excited.
My test results are finally in and they came a little bit sooner than expected. Starting off with the green, these are foods and drinks that are actually beneficial to my body. And I was so surprised to find out that I actually had over 200. Second is the yellow column, where these foods are actually semi-inflammatory, and then finishing off with the red that are highly inflammatory. What's great about this test is it also shows you a wheel of your cell degeneration and how you can help. This test was so fun and easy, and I feel more connected to my body than I ever have.